Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to reset Yahoo password without email and phone number. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open up your internet browser and navigate to the Yahoo login page. Once you're on the page, enter the email address associated with the Yahoo account you want to reset the password for. After entering your email address, click Next. Now, you'll be taken to a page that prompts you to enter your password. Here, you'll see a link that says Forgotten Password. Click on that to proceed. You'll then be presented with a few options. Since we don't have access to the email or phone number linked to this account, select the option labeled I need more options. Next, you'll land on a page with more detailed support features. Go ahead and click on Go to Help, which will redirect you to Yahoo's support page. Once you're there, look for a drop-down arrow next to the section labeled Account. Click it open, and then select Mail from the available options. At this stage, another drop-down menu will appear beside it. Here, select the specific option that best fits your situation, focusing on password recovery. Once chosen, you'll need to enter your Yahoo email address again in the designated field. After that, click Get Started. This will take you to a new set of options where you'll need to select Contact a Yahoo Specialist. This step is crucial as it allows you to proceed without the standard recovery methods. After that, all you have to do is wait for Yahoo's response. It may take some time, so be prepared for a possible delay. Yahoo will typically reach out with further instructions on how to reset your password once your identity is verified by their specialists. And that's it. So that is how you can reset Yahoo password without email and phone number. So that's all for this video. Thanks.